Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your InDesign master pages step by step clearly.
Open your Adobe InDesign application.
Navigate to the document that contains the master pages you wish to backup. Click on the Pages panel located on the right side of the screen. If the Pages panel is not visible, go to the Window menu, then select Pages. In the Pages panel, locate the master pages thumbnail at the top. Right-click on the master page thumbnail you want to backup. Select Page Attributes from the context menu. Then choose Duplicate Master. Rename the duplicated master page to clearly indicate it's a backup. In the Pages panel, you will now see the new duplicated master page. Next, go to the File menu in the top left corner. Select Save As from the drop-down. Choose a location on your computer where you want to save the backup. Make sure to give this file a name that reflects it's a backup. Click Save to create a backup of your entire InDesign document, including the master pages. For added security, consider exporting the backup as an IDML file. To do this, go to the File menu again. Select Export from the drop-down menu. In the dialog that appears, choose InDesign Markup Language, IDML, as the format. Select your desired location and click Save. This IDML file will ensure compatibility with earlier versions of InDesign. Now you have successfully backed up your InDesign master pages along with the document. Make sure to periodically repeat this process to keep your backups current. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.